Stevie, I can see the relief in your face. Was that a must-win?
Yeah, look, I think obviously with what we've been doing performance-wise, and I think obviously the nearly theirs, as we say. Obviously a couple of performances that we know we should have done a little bit better, but obviously today was obviously a bit of a must-win. Obviously a team that's come up from division below, and yeah, I mean for us obviously working hard. Wasn't the greatest of performances from us, but obviously working hard, getting the nitty-gritty stuff done, putting bodies on the line to defend, and obviously a bit of spectacular from obviously our new striker.
Not the start you probably wanted as a new manager. How would you sum up your team's performance today?
I thought the boys worked hard. We huffed and puffed throughout the game. We lacked a bit of quality in the final third for me. We had a few missing today. It's been a bit of a turmoil week at the club, you know, with the manager leaving, myself coming in. And it was just for me to, you know, get the boys back on the grass and, you know, show what we can do going forward. And part of me is a bit disappointed with that element of the game because we didn't get equality across today. We battled, and I said to the lads there, you know, they put the bodies on the line. The heart and spirit of Abergavenny was there to see. Just that final bit of quality in the final third especially.
Your first goal, it was good. Your second goal, it was great. Talk us through, especially the second one.
I just had to make up for the penalty miss, so I saw it coming down, kept my eyes on it. Probably hit it better than I expected, to be honest, and happy days.